Mar Wiper bende min Kalonzo Musyoka bende dwaro ni oganda jo Kenya mayande ondhi yo mapoko yangi owe thuolo mapiyo. Kalonzo oseyo sirkal mar Kenya Kwanza ma owacho ni dhi nyime gi telo mar agoko e pacho kaendi. Ne oloso kotene kod jotelo buora kama oting'o jagoro maduong' mar Jubilee Jeremiah Kioni ma ohum kaka jatend piny Kenya William Ruto osebedo ka tayo piny Kenya ka.
We demand that all 82 youth who have been abducted in the last 3 months be released and returned to their families immediately. We also demand that all 29 missing youth whose whereabouts are unaccounted for be accounted for forthwith. We also call on our international partners to note these serious crimes against humanity being perpetuated by the Kenya Kwanza regime and to add their voice of condemnation.
We support fully any demonstration or protest that are being carried out anywhere in this country calling for the release of those young people who've been abducted. Again, I also want to say that it is not an opportunity for any of us to use that opportunity to build our political careers. No. The young people of this country, those Gen Z, are stakeholders in anything we undertake as Kenyans, including siasa ya Kenya hii and the call for good governance.